Hey, I'm Michael Correa from FireRamp. Welcome to this quick video on short form content mastery on how we do it in our agency. So obviously we start off by receiving the client footage. Basically, we provide you guys the footage that's edited, and then we provide hooks as well with content ideas. Also giving consultancy on different methods on how to go about distributing and allocating your content. So basically, once we receive the client footage, it will then be edited by the highest trained in the game. So we have editors ready to go, editing all your content. And these are some of our client work that we have done in the past. I'll show you.
Which food helps you burn fat and boost your metabolism? There are 3 macronutrients: protein, carbs, and fat. Protein is the one that can help you burn fat and increase your metabolism. And this is how. To start with, protein is the most filling macro, so it helps you feel fuller for longer. This is partly because protein reduces your hunger hormone, which is ghrelin. It also boosts the level of peptide YY, which can help you feel full.
So basically that's that. I'll show you guys another one real quick. So this is another one of our clients. He's in the solar niche. His name is Kevin.
People ask me, like, am I ever even going to see a return on investment if I go solar? Do I have to live in my house for like 20 years to recoup the investment? And the truth is, nowadays, it's literally no money out of pocket to get a solar system installed in your house that you own. So what that's going to do is day one, your system goes live, you no longer pay a utility bill. It replaces a bill with the solar. It stays fixed. And a lot of times, depending on your sunlight, it could be less day one.
So yeah, and I'm gonna play you guys the last one.
I have this app called Trello, and basically I separated between personal and business. Throughout the day, things that I think about, I just list them out. Okay, this is what I have to do. I have to go home, I have to answer this email, I need to send this invoice, kind of put it in a list format. It's really cool.
So basically you guys get the point. So how we master short form content, basically the key video components, which is music, engaging captions, sound effects, images, watch time priority, making sure your editing is engaging, providing the intro hooks and niche research as well. And then editor training. Obviously we have a ton of editors who are being trained every single day, 100 plus hours of training going in and out, 1K plus in training courses, and 1 out of 100s of training every single day. So yeah, basically that's that. Leveraging short form content basically helps you grow and attract warm leads, lifelong followers to monetize in the future. No editing, so time can be invested in higher ROI when onboarding with our services, and you will have exponential growth after the month and build trust and social proof with audience. So that's basically this quick video on how we do things in our agency. If you guys are interested, you guys are gonna always hit the link in the bio. Book a call with my team, see if you qualify, and yeah, we're just gonna go about it from there. If you guys have any questions, you can always hit me and my team up at fireramp.com. Hit me up in the DM, and I'm out. Bye.